Good morning, everyone. So, today is Thursday, 7th May 2020, and today is a turn of grammar. So, we will start the second chapter today, subject and predicate. So, before starting this chapter, you should know about what is subject and predicate and what is the use of subject and predicate in a sentence. Okay? So, firstly, we have to read the definition of subject and the predicate. What is a subject? A subject is the person or things that is doing an action, or the person or things that is focus of the sentence. Means subject वो होता है जो the person or things that is doing an action, जो वो action कर रहा होता है. ठीक है? Like the girl is singing. तो who is singing? The girl. The noun. Okay, that means subject contains noun. Okay, and what is predicate? The predicate of the sentence is the part that contains the action. जो action करता है means predicate contains the action means verb. Action, that means verb. So this is very simple. In a sentence, subject is a noun and predicate is a verb. So let's start the exercise. So in this chapter, firstly we have to start from the first subject and predicate. Like the first number example, the sun rises in the east. So let me tell you, in this sentence, what is noun? The sun. Okay, this is not a verb because this is not an action. Okay, the noun, the sun is a subject. It is noun. And predicate rises in the east. जो action कर रहा है. Okay, so the sun rises in the east. Now in the second, my best friend is Pranay. Okay, so my best friend, किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? किसका best friend है Pranay? My best friend. Okay, so this is a subject and is Pranay is a predicate. Now next one is in the above sentence you can see that a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. The subject is the door of the action and the predicate shows the action being done by the subject. Subject is a action, not a action, is the door of the action. मतलब subject वो काम कर रहा होता है. Okay, the predicate shows, और predicate क्या show कर रहा होता है कि action done by the subject, वो work हो रहा होता है subject के through. Like I am doing my homework. So I am मतलब I am a subject and action done by the subject means homework. मैं कर रहा हूँ homework. Now the exercise number 1, break up the following sentences into subject and predicate, then write them in their respective column. Now we have here 6 sentences and we have to separate this sentence into two parts. The one is subject and the other is predicate. Okay. So let's read the first number question. My uncle is very tall. So obviously is a helping verb. Okay, verb or helping verb, it will consider as a action. Okay, so in this sentence, what is noun? What is subject? My uncle. So we will write my uncle in a subject column and is very tall we will write in a predicate column. As now B number question, the donkey is braying. Okay, who is braying? The donkey. The donkey is a noun and is braying is a predicate. C number, the king is very kind. Noun is the king means subject. We will write in a subject column, is very kind. We will write in a predicate column means action word. Now in D number, the cuckoo sings sweetly. Cuckoo means koel. The cuckoo is a noun and sings sweetly is a predicate. Shreya is a noun, loves to eat ice cream means predicate. Shreya is a subject and loves to eat ice cream, predicate. He is an honest boy. He is a subject, is an honest boy is a predicate. Now after that, come to the next number point, subject, verb and object. We already read about the subject and verb. What is subject and what is verb? Subject matlab subject means who contains noun, and verb who like a predicate. Predicate means contain verb. Okay, means action. So we already read this about. Now in this exercise we have to understand what is object. Object is the talking about, means the subject is doing a verb Okay, subject is doing an action with which object? Okay, like I am playing with ball. This is an example. So I is a subject, I am is a subject, playing is a verb, and we are and playing with which object? With ball. Okay, the ball is an object. For example, an object is a noun. An object is a noun or a pronoun. ऑब्जेक्ट कोई भी हो सकता है, नाउन भी हो सकता है, प्रोनाउन भी हो सकता है, विच इज़ रिसीवर ऑफ द एक्शन, जो किसके थ्रू रिसीव किया जाता है? एक्शन के थ्रू. ऑब्जेक्ट्स यूजली फॉलो अ वर्ब. ऑब्जेक्ट जो होता है वो यूजली किसको फॉलो करता है? वर्ब को फॉलो करता है, ऑब्वियसली. नाउ लाइक द एग्जाम्पल, द बॉयज मेड पेपर बोट. दैट मीन्स द ऑब्जेक्ट इज अ पेपर बोट, क्योंकि द बॉयज इज अ सब्जेक्ट, मेड इज द वर्ब एंड पेपर बोट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. द टीचर थ्रू अ चॉक. द टीचर इज अ सब्जेक्ट, थ्रू इज अ वर्ब एंड अ चॉक, वो क्या थ्रो कर रही है? चॉक को थ्रो कर रही है, तो दैट इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्वियसली द नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, exercise 2. In each of these sentences, identify and write the subject. Subject will indicate S, verb indicate V, and object indicate O. One has been done for you. Now the first one has been done for you. The first question is, the goat climbed up the hill. Okay, so the goat is a noun, is a subject, right? Goat and dot dash S means subject, climbed dot V, that means verb. Okay, and the object is up the hill, so you write only the hill is object. Children subject, ran verb, rode object. The woman, write only woman subject, waited verb, train object. D number, bees make honey, bees subject, make verb, honey object. The cat jumped over the fence, cat subject, jumped verb, fence object. Jack and Jill ran up the hill, Jack and Jill is subject, ran verb, and hill is object. No. So the last number exercise, we have to make these sentences, we have to make sentences with these words. Okay, now in this sentence we have to add verb and object both. Okay, cats and milk. Cats like to drink milk. So like cats means a noun, like verb, and what is object? To drink milk. Milk is a object. Tom and his dog. Tom is playing with his dog. Bullocks and carts. Bullocks carts are the cheap means of the transport. Full stop. The sun and the sky. The sun is shining in the sky. Birds and trees. Birds are sitting on the trees. तो इसमें verb भी आ गया, object भी आ गया, noun भी आ गया. Cows and grass. Cows were eating grass. Birds and wings. The birds were flapping their wings. India and independence. India has got independence on 15th August 1947. The earth and the sun. The earth orbits the sun. So that is all for today. Keep revising, keep learning, keep practice. Okay. Thank you so much.